let's talk about the Auratone 5C sound cubes. Welcome to the Rhythm Studio, where we're talking percussion, music production, and music technology. I'm Warren Henry. If you haven't done so already, please hit the subscribe button and the alert bell so that you can be notified when we release new videos. That said, let's get into it. I've been using the Auratone 5C sound cubes for the better part of my career. They are by far my favorite backup set of reference monitors. Unfortunately, in 2008, I had to part with my pair. But let me tell you, I got my hands on a second set and they are better than ever. The Auratone Sound Cube is a simple, single, full-range speaker in a small format. This iteration is a modern-day throwback to the originals. Built out of sturdy, medium-density fiberboard, they are small, weighty, and solid. If you look to the back panel, you have some nice banana posts finished in a gold tone. But aesthetics aside, their intended purpose is to be used as a secondary reference monitor for both tracking and mixing, and that's where they shine. Now, if you followed my channel for any duration of time, you know that I have both expensive monitors and mid-range monitors. And I can tell you firsthand, in my opinion, the Auratone 5C sound cubes are by far the best secondary reference monitor one can own. Because they're a passive design, which means you don't have a built-in amplifier, you will have to purchase an amp. I'm powering my pair with a Samson Servo 240, which provides 120 watts to both the left and right channels. But back to my point about why these are my favorite secondary set of monitors to reference on. Not too long ago, I used these monitors along with a Tannoy TS10 sub to mix the Dolores Bowman project. These mixes translated so well to my other sets of monitors that by the time I got to mastering, there was minimal work that needed to be done. So, what do you think the first thing I did when I got my hands on these things a second time? I paired them up with my Tannoy TS10 sub, and guess what? They sound just as good as they did before. What am I saying? The Auratone 5C sound cubes are by far the best secondary pair of monitors one can own. They give you an honest look into the mid-range and sound great with any genre you might be working in. Plus, they are made in a good old US of A. In the comments below, tell me what secondary monitors you are using and why. Like this video by giving it a thumbs up and sharing it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe. And again, don't forget to say hello to the family for me.